Sharp. Ningazilimazi phela. Nizixolele. Sure but.
Yeah, that was actually Wadeville station, just the highlights. But follow me, let's go together and see the state of Wadeville train station. It's been like they are fixing it. What's the right way? Under construction, so it's gonna be used again. It's gonna be actually renovated. It's going to be fixed, as you can see.
Right.
Those are the
Sharp.
guys now who stay there illegally. So obviously these are the it used to be toilets. Now it's like the water is leaking everywhere. But according to PRASA, this is going to be fixed, and the Department of Transport is going to fix this, because as I'm going in, you'll see the security guys and engineers or technicians. They are busy at work. So yes, just stay tuned.
John Sisi, onayivula isiteshi niyasilungisa or itrain seyizohamba. It's nice. Ngoba vele sowethu seyasebenza. Yeah. Siya good. Mara sebamoshile ne. Hayi bamoshile too much. Yini Wadeville station le ne? Yeah. Afuna ukuyishoot from the top.
Yeah, that was a security lady, and we were discussing that yeah, it is actually said they vandalized it, and it was affected during COVID-19, and yeah, you see the steps there are dangerous. If you are not careful, you can fall easy. You see there's no balance there. One mistake, you are gone. So yeah, that's the top. You can see they're gonna put everything together according to the officials and according to the government, and it's gonna service the people again. Remember, this is one of the biggest industrial areas here in Gauteng and South Africa as a whole. There's so many companies, so many people.
Like in Soweto.
So this mode of transport, train, is needed to take the big chunk of people from the nearest areas to work. Yeah, nearest working place, which is Wadeville. Yeah. So keep watching. So let's observe.
Soon it's gonna be working, hopefully. As you can see, they are hard at work. You can see over there. This is Ingram. Watch must watch my steps.
So yeah, I'm going back. You saw the area. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay because they are busy working on it. It will be working. I'll come and visit here again in 3 months and see how is the development and if the trains are working, and then I'll be the first one to be on that train and report back to you that I'm at Wadeville train station, and is up and running, and I'll be walking right here. So remind me in the next 3 months, and let's see the development happening in our area, in our country, and yeah, so yeah, life can be better again. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, and also leave your comment regarding the Wadeville train station, and the signature, hasta la vista till we meet again. Cheerio.
Uyabona, so kuzothi just nje ukuthi ena update yetho, yeah. Okay bafethu, hey Thaba, hey job, yeah. So as you can see, that is a Max Steel, Africa's leading steel supply, and opposite it, it's the tablets, coffee mixtures, so yeah, in Wadeville, like I said, Wadeville is the biggest restaurant area here in South Africa. I don't know if it will grow bigger. As you can see, that is Max Steel. It's a huge company.